Hey guys, so I'm going to share with you how to make my rose mask recipe. You'll need flour, honey, rose petals, dried rose petals that are dried for over a month or so, and one garlic clove. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take all of the rose petals and you're going to manually crush them to tiny little pieces. You can also use a food processor, but today I'm going to do it with my hand. Then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now you're going to grate the garlic clove into the mixture. Now it's time to mix everything in. Now add in about 1/3 cup of honey. If you need more honey, please feel free to add as much honey as you want. Add some water if the mixture is too dry. Store your rose face mask in a container and it should last for about 2 weeks or so. The more honey you add, the longer it'll last.